Welcome to my video. In this video I will tell you about 7 best mail transfer agents for Linux. Let's move on to video. Or first, let me first tell you about what is a mail transfer agent or MTA. An MTA is an application that routes and transmits electronic mail from one node on a network to another. It uses a protocol known as SMTP. SMTP is also known as Simple Mail Transfer Protocol to perform its task. In this article, we shall look out at a roundup of the best and most used mail transfer agents on Linux mail servers. Our first mail transfer agent is SendMail. SendMail, now known as Proofpoint, is by far the most popular and one of the oldest mail transfer agent on the Linux server platform. SendMail has a lot of limitations though in comparison to modern MTAs. Because of its complicated configuration steps and demands and weak security mechanism, many new MTAs have come up as alternatives to SendMail. But importantly, it offers everything to do with mail on a network. Second MTA is Postfix. Postfix is a cross-platform popular MTA that was designed and developed by Vitse Zvitek-Venema for his mail server while working at the IBM research department. It was primarily developed as an alternative to well-known and popular SendMail MTA. Postfix runs on Linux, Mac operating systems, Solaris, and several other Unix-like operating systems. Postfix borrows a lot of SendMail properties on the outside, but it has a totally and comprehensively distinct international operation. Additionally, it builds to the fast in performance with easy configuration and secure operation mechanism and has the following major features: junk mail control, support multiple protocols, and many others. Our third MTA is Exim. Exim is a free MTA developed for Unix-like operating systems such as Linux, Mac, Solaris, and many more. Exim offers a great level of flexibility in routing mail on a network with outstanding mechanism and facilities for incoming mail monitoring. Its notable features include, among others, are no support for POP or IMAP protocols, support protocols such as RFC2821 SMTP and RFC2033 LMTP email message transport. Configurations include access control list and content scanning, encryption, routing controls, among others. Excellent documentation. It has utilities such as Laminate, which is an assortment of SMTP and IMAP extensions to enable mobile messaging, plus many more. Our fourth MTA is Qmail. Qmail is also another free open source and modern Linux MTA when compared to the other MTAs we have looked at. Moreover, it is simple, reliable, efficient, and offers extensive security features, hence a secure MTA package. It is relatively small but feature rich, and some of its features include runs on multiple Unix-like operating systems such as FreeBSD, Solaris, Mac, plus many more. It is simple and quick installation, automatic per host configuration, clear separation between addresses, files, and programs. It provides full support for address groups. It lets each user manage their own mail list. It supports an easy way to set up a mailing list, supports VERPs, supports automatic prevention of mailing list loops, supports EasyMLM mailing list manager. Our fifth MTA is MUT. It is a command line email client. MUT is a small yet powerful terminal-based email client for Unix-like operating system. It has some exciting features as a text-based email client, and some of its notable features include message threading, support for IMAP and POP3 protocols, supports several mailbox formats such as Mbox, MH, MailDIR, MMDF. It provides delivery status support, multiple message tagging, support for PGM or MIME. Our sixth MTA is Alpine. Alpine is a fast and easy to use terminal based email client for Linux. It is based on the Pine messaging system. It works well for starters and power users. Like users can easily learn how to use it through context sensitive help. Importantly, it is a highly customizable through the Alpine setup command. Our seventh MTA is OpenSMTP. OpenSMTPD is an open source mail transfer agent that is used to deliver messages on a local system or to relay them to other SMTP servers. It also comes with a web service that permits the sending of emails via an HTTP mail web server. It runs on various Unix and Unix-like operating systems such as Linux, FreeBSD, OpenBSD, NetBSD, and operating systems. There are other several MTAs out of there, but they all have strengths and limitations as the ones we have reviewed here. I hope you liked my video. I am requesting to newcomers to please subscribe my channel and press the bell buttons so you can receive my latest updates on and latest videos in a sequence. Please don't forget to subscribe.